Who the fuck wears black lips? Like, ew. I'm just kidding. Yeah, now that I got your attention, because you guys are probably like, what the heck are you talking about? Like, I wear black lips all day, every day. Every day. You guys, I was on my live with you guys a few weeks ago, actually a week ago, a few days ago, and I asked you guys if you guys would like me to do this because I literally barely ever wear black lips. Like, I don't even wear black lips on Halloween, if you guys consider that, because for some reason people think when you wear black lips, it's like the resemblance of Halloween. It's a gothic kind of vibe, and I feel like it is gothic high fashion. And I love black lips on editorial pictures and things, but like I feel like to wear it is a lot. Like, I mean, can y'all really be honest right now? Like, if y'all go out on the streets, if you guys go to the beach, who the fuck has a black lip on? Now, if you guys do, you're fucking fierce. Like, you're fucking fierce out of this world. So today, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a cute little tutorial on how to dress a black lip according to eyes. I mean, just the vibe of it, okay? So I want you guys to buckle up right now. Now, if you guys don't have black lips or black lipstick or anything like that at home, feel free to go ahead and just pull out like liquid liner, black liner. If you guys do have black lip products, then go ahead and pull those out, because today we're gonna go ahead and dress that with some lashes, and I'm gonna just go in full force teach you guys on what I feel like is wearable. Let's see, because I just really don't wear black lips. Like, I'm just like, ugh. I feel like when you wear black lips or something dark, usually me, like, I like to kind of have more of a lighter eye. I kind of like to have like very subtle, very soft, you know, soft eye. Like, it's not even putting black eyeshadow on your eyes. Like, it's just like very soft. If you're gonna do a bold lip, I think it looks really good when you do bold lips with like a light eye or just lashes. So today we're gonna be diving into a couple of lashes and maybe some liner. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and use something new today, you guys. So Jeffree Star Cosmetics came out with the weirdo. This is the Supreme gloss that they just launched, and he literally was so nice enough to send over the whole entire batch for me to play with, and I was like, oh my god, like, first of all, I'm so scared of gloss, but you know what, we're gonna play with gloss today. So I did try that, and it's very high pigmented, so let me just see. I feel like an auburn. It's really one color auburn, you know, that vibe. Maybe some shimmer in there. Like, almost like a wet kind of feel, but not so wet. Now that I kind of know what to do, I think I'm gonna use this palette. I think I'm gonna pull out the P.LOUISE. Now, this palette is called, this is the canceled collection. You guys can definitely get this on P.LOUISE with my code Kimora Blac 10. It does save you money up. I feel like these colors are just going to be it. I'm not gonna touch the dark browns. I'm just gonna kind of really use like these auburny colors and really pull it out and see where that goes. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what those look like. I'm gonna start with my eyes today. So I'm gonna take, I'm so tempted to pull out these colors, like these purpley colors. Actually, you know what? Let's do those. So I'm gonna take this color called TATTI, and I'm just gonna lightly blend it into the eyes. Now, I really want this to be effortless, you guys. So when I say effortless, I don't want it to be so perfect. I don't want it to look like you're just trying to like cut a crease and you're trying to, you know, do the most. I want it to look very subtle and soft and just very wearable. That's the whole point of this video today, is that what can we do to really dress this black lip? When it comes to black lips, you guys, I know a lot of people love it. Like, it's one of those things where I feel like everyone can wear. I really truly think everyone can wear a black lip, but it's also how you guys dress it. So if you're someone that's very shy of makeup, honey, black lips, whew, it's a color. So I'm just taking this really pretty, almost like a purpley shade, and I'm just gonna kind of just really blend this in and just really kind of blur it out. I want it to kind of just cover all over. That's kind of like the whole point. And then just blend out. I'm actually really loving this like shade all over my eye. Wow, that's actually really pretty. It's this shade here called Tacky, and it's like perfect. Okay, so since I love this shade, I'm just gonna continue to put it on more. Now, don't go too dark, you guys. Like, I feel like I'm already kind of, it's getting kind of a little dark on my eyes, but we're gonna lighten it up with a little bit of shimmer to kind of really give it like that moment. Okay, so I'm gonna change my brush, and we're gonna go ahead and kind of pinch that color underneath, but very slowly, very softly, because I don't want it to be so makeup-y. Why is it so darker on the bottom? That's kind of strange. The thing about P.LOUISE palettes, you guys, is like you cannot hold it. You have to like set it down because they're so heavy. So why is it darker? Okay, you know what? I probably have like a different color on this brush prior. So I'm just gonna take my brush earlier and just gonna blend it out, and then voila. Okay, yeah, so I definitely had something on this brush prior that's kind of darker. Oy. because I'm gonna do the same thing here. Okay, so there's that little dark. Whatever color I had, like literally, like perfect. Doesn't it happen sometimes you guys put on like shadows and you guys don't clean your brushes like I don't? I mean, I do, but not like every day. And you put it on, you're like, what the heck is that color doing on there? But I kind of like it. I'm not mad about it. And it's all about really just blending those shades, okay? I said shades because I didn't know what color that was. I really love like this purple moment. The lashes are gonna really make the big difference here. The lashes is what's really going to give it that whole look. Now, taking a hopefully clean brush. I know this one's a clean brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a little bit of this color called Spotlight, and I'm just gonna kind of just take it and just really rub it on the lid and just kind of blend it in there a little bit. Ooh, I'm loving it. It's like that sultry, smoky kind of like just, okay, we're feeling it. Let me see. Okay. I'm literally looking for like, oh, okay. So I'm picking out this shade. So this is the 35XO Hugs and Kisses by Morphe. And I'm like really loving all like these like maroon kind of colors. Maybe something like this. Oh, actually, I really want to take this shade, Dating History, and just really bring it in. Yes, look at that. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. And just kind of softly blend into the nose contour. And just kind of really blur out that shade. So now you have like this sultry, high fashion kind of shade going on. I'm like really into it. Okay, so let me see. Ooh, okay. I think we got the colors that we really wanted on there. So like I said, I'm gonna keep holding this out to just kind of see this vibe. Okay, so it's getting kind of darker than I expected, you guys. So remember, we're trying to keep the lights very light and to kind of keep it very kind of just very sultry to kind of really make that black lip stand out and make it very juicy. I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of lightly dust some shimmers on to kind of really give it like a moment. So this color called Major Seduction, just kind of take it and just really kind of press it on the lid to kind of give it like that little moment. Okay, all right. Now that we have it, now I feel like this is the time to literally put on some lashes. I think now it's time for some lashes. I want to see the lashes because you guys know when you guys put on lashes, that's where it just literally does like the fucking magic. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my NGUYEN lash curler and I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Ooh. Alright guys, so you guys know I am so team Baddie B lashes. They literally have new lashes and like literally I just got this the other day and I was so excited because you guys know I love Baddie B lashes and this is the full PR kit. This is going to be the, I want to say, I believe it's called the Light Collection, L-I-T-E. Baddie B, they literally were so nice enough to have send this all over to my studio. And also if you guys are shopping on Baddie B lashes, if you guys want to knock off some money with my discount code, you guys can use my code Kimora. It does take money off at the end of the purchase when you check out on Baddie B lashes. Now they have 5 new styles. These are the new lash styles that they have. They have She's Cute, Mommy, Baby Girl, Low Key, and Flirt. So I feel like today's look, one of these lashes are gonna definitely do it for me, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out, I'm really honestly feeling it Baby Girl, because Baby Girl, I wanna see, let's see what this looks like. I feel like Baby Girl is going to be it. It's like almost sparse. It has like those really nice thick pieces in between. I think it's gonna give today's look very nice and it's gonna go very well with the look. And I'm also thinking maybe, am I feeling kind of like under lash today? No, that's a little too much under lash. I feel like under lash today, it's gonna be just mascara. I think that's gonna really do it for me. So let's go ahead and pull these out. Now remember, these are hashtag baby girl lashes. Let's see what they look like. I've actually never worn these before. I hope they really do me justice. Which by the way, they do, because Baddie B lashes honestly like never disappoint me. Oh wow, these are so pretty. All right, so go ahead and apply some glue. So taking a little bit of glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on the lash. The great thing about Baddie B lashes, you guys, like when you pull it out, they don't become straight. They kind of really keep its curl. So I don't really have to go back in with like a lash curler and do the curling like a lot of people do. I hate that when you have to pull out like, when you pull out false lashes and they get all straight. So I'm basically for my individuals, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take these strips here and I'm just gonna cut them in little individuals and I'm gonna probably just put like 3 and 3 on each eye. Okay, so my top lashes are dry enough, so let's go ahead and apply. I usually have to put it above my eye a little bit. It's so weird, my eye shape, you guys. I usually put it above. Ooh, pretty. Perfect. All right, so taking my other lash, let's go ahead and apply. Oh my god, I love these. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some glue and just apply some on the bottom. So kind. Oh my god, like these are literally my favorite lashes right now. Now, when it comes to individual lashes, like it's literally you guys have the freedom to put as much as you guys want. I'm gonna put 3. And now usually when I do individuals on the bottom, I love to have a long one in the middle and it goes small. I never literally put a strip because I hate seeing the strip. So if you guys are, you know, if you guys want it to look kind of doll-like, I would really cut them into pieces and not use the actual strip. Because sometimes when you guys use the strip, it can get kind of like, you can see the line. Oh my god, these turn out so good. Oh my god, look how cute they look. So now that I'm fanning it down just to make sure the lashes are staying in place, and also you guys can get this fan. If you guys need a lash fan, honestly, I feel like BADDIE lashes are the only ones that carry a lash fan. So these do actually really help. I'm over here like struggling to make sure they're like as even as I can. Like I feel like my eyes both look so different, but it's okay. They look kind of like the same. Stunning. Okay, cool. Alright guys, so now it is time for that moment to wear the black lip. Like right now, I'm so tempted to put like a very soft pink lip. Like just, oof. But today, you guys, we're gonna do the black lip. So I want you guys, now, I don't have, is there like such thing as a black lip liner? No, right? I don't think so. Let me just see like literally all my liners. I don't think there is such thing as a black lip liner. What about like this? Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna use the liner that I'm gonna use is the NYX Epic Wear liner. So I feel like if there isn't any, or if there is, and I definitely don't have a black liquid liner or a lip liner. So I'm gonna use a black liner. What's the difference? But I feel like a pencil sharpener would be the best, because versus the one that you twist, and have like a pencil sharpener on hand. Let's get this going. I'm scared. Ooh. Oh girl, I'm just lightly lining it. I don't even know, like, I don't even, okay, because if it's black lips, like, I don't even want a big lip. Okay. I feel like I have a mustache. Okay. Oh, girl, I'm scared. I'm gonna have to definitely clean around the lips. Okay. Okay. So, I kind of have, like, my shape that I like. Now, let's color it in. Just the edges, because that gloss, I know it's gonna be really black. Okay. Now that we have that done, pulling out the gloss, let's see the final touch. Ooh. Oh my god, I look so crazy. When I tell you this is black, it's still kind of like crazy that it smells like vanilla and it's black. Oh my god, look how crazy I look. Wow, wow. I'm gagged. I'm gagged, I'm gooped, I'm everything and above. Wow. Let me just add a little bit of like a highlight underneath. Kind of brighten this up. Okay. I'm actually officially gagged. Let's take this. I'm gonna take a brush. And you know, like when you deal with liner or like dark lips that you can see, you really wanna clean up around. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little brush and a foundation stick, and I'm just gonna really clean the edges as much as I can. I'm officially gagged. Now, I really wanna add like this on there. Gaga came out with one of these Glam Attack. These are like eyeglosses, and you can literally put this on top and it'll like just make everything look kind of wet. So let's kind of see. I mean, who the hell is going out like this? I know I am. Oh my god, look how cool that looks. Wow. Alright, you guys, we just finished the look. Let's go ahead and decide like what wig we're gonna put on today to kind of go with this look. So yeah, I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and show you guys the final look. You guys, oh my god. How is the outfit? How are we feeling the wet look? Oh my god, you guys. A round of a motherfucking applause for all you guys looking so fucking stunning. You guys, we fucking did it. First of all, I don't wear black lips. Like, I just don't fucking wear them. And now I feel like I should. Like, I feel like I'm going to. Like, I'm ready to go to like, give me a little shrimp salad. Hi. Please, shrimp and salad together. Thanks. We fucking did it, you guys. How was y'all look? Like, what's going on? Did you guys finish the look? I wish I could see you guys like through the camera. I mean, wouldn't that be so fucking cool? Anyways, you guys, I had so much fun. The black lip is literally, this is probably like one of my favorite videos this month. I'm like so gagged. I can't stop looking at my monitor right now. Like, I'm so excited that I dressed it. Like, remember at the beginning of this video? Like, I did not know what to do. I was just kind of going along with it. I was just rambling on. You guys actually believed me. You know what I mean? So like, bitch, this eye work, I'm so excited. It's very soft, very subtle, very sultry. I did struggle a little bit with my actual lip shape because I just got my lips done and I have an uneven lip, and you guys already know. So doing it black, kinda, you have to like really get the shape perfect. That being said, I had so much fun doing this video. I'm so glad I did it, and thank you guys so much for giving me this video topic to do, because I was like, you know what, should I do a black lip tutorial? Why not, right? So I hope you guys turned out the looks and slayed the motherfucking makeup. In the meantime, you guys, I'm about to go do another review today. Yes, 2 videos in one day. I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna do next. I have my coffee and I'm ready to work. So you guys, in the meantime, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I always say this, you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Like, what the fuck is going on, you guys? Listen. See, this is me feeling myself. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, thank you guys so much for the thumbs up. That does mean a lot. And I know you guys hate YouTube politics where it's like thumbs up, subscribe, comment, sound off below. But it's like literally like those are the things that we have to really, honestly, like those things really do make me happy on my channel. And it does tell me that I am doing something that you guys like, and it does kind of boost me up for the next video and all that. So yes, please go ahead and do it. Sound off down below what you guys think about this lip. In the meantime, I love y'all so fucking much, and thank you so much for taking the time of your day to come hang out with me. And now y'all go out there and slay it. I want to see those fucking selfies on Instagram. A little hint, the next video is going to be a little bit colorful. I love you, and I will see you guys in the next video.